I'll quickly show you how to remove the radio from this Chrysler 200. This is similar to most of the Chrysler and Dodge models. These are all the tools you'll need: a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar, power tool or ratchet wrench with a Torx T15 socket, and possibly a pliers. I'll put all tools used in the description below, as well as a step-by-step guide. Let's get to it. Go around and pry this bezel with a flat-tip screwdriver or a pry bar. Now for a closer look. Look underneath the bezel and you'll see a connector that plugs into the flashers and traction control. So push on it to release the connector. Keep looking up and remove the other connector that gives power to the clock. Now pull the bezel unit out. If you want to see the climate control removed, then you can check out how to do that. That's in a separate video. I'll put that in the description below. Anyway, now to remove the radio. Okay, this is using a Torx T15 bolt. Now that the screws have been removed, let this hang. It's on the gear shift. Remove the 5 connectors. Don't worry about mixing them up as they are all unique. Other important thing to mention, or to keep in mind, is if you replace your current radio, you may need to get a radio code, aka an unlock code, or a dealer can program it. So to avoid that, make sure you get that code when buying a replacement radio. The code is usually in the owner's manual or inside the glove compartment, if it even needs one. I think it's also called an anti-theft radio card. Anyway, these are how all the wires look. 5 total. If this has helped you so far, then please like and subscribe. You'll continue to learn how to repair your car yourself without going to a mechanic. After all, that's what this channel is about. Helping people because dealerships are too expensive. Now to reinstall, reconnect all the wires, and then put the 4 screws in. Connect the clock connector on the top first, and then push the remaining connectors in on the bottom. They snap into place perfectly. Now grab the bezel and tap it in. This job will take about 10 minutes to do this, and it's very easy to do if replacing your radio. If this has helped, please like and subscribe. Go ahead and check out the other videos on this channel and tell me what you think of this video in the comments. Hopefully this helped you and was straight to the point. See you later.